disgusting. YouTube, what's poppin', man? Screw the bike stuff right now. The bike's in the shop. My dreams are coming true. This is my dream truck, the F-150. I told y'all multiple times. No, I probably haven't told y'all about the F-150, but this is the 2022 all-electric F-150 Lightning. This is the rear view on the freaking... It's not an iPad, because that's like 3 times an iPad, so I don't know what we call it. But this joint is disgusting.
Oh, that shit a mini TV. That's what it's on. It got games on this shit, look.
Are you serious?
Bro, it got games, bro. Bro.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, pause it real quick. Look, YouTube, my boy Nemo, this is my brother right here.
Yeah.
His dad caught the 2022, so we taking it for a spin, because this joint is just too crazy. Like the speed and the pickup on this, it's like you're driving a car. I'm dead serious. I've never felt something like this before. Y'all about to see the pickup on this joint in a matter of a second.
Yeah, give us 10, 15 seconds.
Yeah, literally. Bump that joint.
Nah, shit.
Speakers in this joint sound crazy. Don't stop. Make sure you get that from down there.
Panama convertible, still ain't looking like I'm rich. Fish straight out of stuff, still look like I'm out in trench. Fellin', I still deal with coats, still gon' sue them fucking hitters. Know I be on hella dope, still don't drink to find my rhythm. Yeah, pussy nigga can't still keep up with me. Yeah, he been killing shit, but still can't fuck with me. Yeah, I got slapped that bang that 5 and still gon' shoot you free. Can't control me, no, I'm on dope. I don't let shit go. I say no. I just bought a brand new Glock and it ain't come about the stove. If a op try block me off, I shoot this bitch right on the. I keep drugs inside my body, it won't let them take my soul. Dope ass nigga look like he's selling dope. Pistol toting that nigga, keep that pole. Shake his swag, he act bad with these hoes. Kill that nigga by the different they know now.
That's 106 in like what? Like not even like 10 seconds, bro.
He won't rose,
I
swear, bro, that shit takes like 5 seconds.
Yo, this show is disgusting. Oh my gosh. Ford outdid themselves. They outdid themselves with this one. I won't even cap. This is something different.
Still ain't looking like I'm rich.
We got one more push for y'all.
Like I'm
on the way back with it.
I still deal with coats, still gon' sit on fucking hitters. No, I be on hella dope, still don't drink to find my rhythm.
The limiter is at 106. So that's the most we can push on it. But I promise y'all, when I get this truck within the next 3 to 4 years, there will be no limiter on it. And we are going to set this baby to its full abilities.
Know that we don't give no fuck, try to split them on the road. That my brother. Who be out the window, Michael Mirror, nah, put it on. Gon' get killed if you don't kill me, and I know it. I'ma flex on him, told the bitch don't call him, I'm fine. Set the blitz on him, run him down like bounce.
The limiter ain't 106. Y'all savvy, y'all just not pushing it yet.
If you in, you a part the phone.
We kind of though, because, like, realistically, we wasn't trying to push you past the golf course.
Right. Y'all need to find just a more open road.
Maybe one day we'll just put that shit on 295.
Yeah.
Start tweaking out.
I still deal with coats, still gon' sit on fucking hitters. No, I be on hella dope, still don't drink to find my rhythm.
You know you gotta start tweaking, yo. What are you doing? What are you doing, Nemo?
Because Jared said he saw me hit 109, but I saw him hit 106. So maybe I did hit 109.
Start it up for y'all.
I don't know. Yeah, that's a great one.
It started?
Yes.
It's on right now.
Yes.
It's running.
Yes.
So I can put it in drive and it'll move right now?
Yes. That shit.
Bro, what? There's no sound at all. And watch this, YouTube. I'm gonna just watch the screen. I'm not gonna look backwards or nothing. Most of y'all probably might be used to this because y'all might be driving stuff like this, but I ain't never seen nothing like this before.
Yeah, that shit is crazy.
I ain't never seen nothing like this.
Yo, bro, you can see my whole crib, bro.
Literally.
Go back. That shit all the way over there. Look,
That is
look where that shit is. Look where the van is, bro. Over left.
Bro, what?
That shit is so
The
far.
van's over there, not even behind us. Nowhere behind us. That's crazy. That is crazy. Put her apart. Push her down.
I don't know why I do all that. I think that shit over crazy. This was wild.
Never, ever seen. Hold up. Leave it open real quick. Never
You
seen.
get that?
A
That
joint
shit saying
this
lightning
tough.
back there?
This joint is too clean, YouTube.
Look at that. That shit say lightning.
The F-150 Lightning. This joint is too clean.
Yo, it got the keypad door lock.
Yeah. Your joint don't got that?
No.
It definitely do, Nemo, because my joint do.
No, it don't.
Nemo, mine's a 2009.
Bro, all mine has is my key unlocked.
Look at that, bro. The velvet suede.
It's a Buick though.
No, it's...
Like the
What's-
parent company of Buick is Ford.
Oh my gosh. I did not. Look at it. This is where you charge your battery up. Huh? I don't know what it is. Look at the rims on that joint. That's just future. That's futuristic, man. Got the full wraparound light on it. The full wraparound light on it. This joint's crazy. You see the diamonds? No. Oh my gosh. She's disgusting, guys. Charging ports on both sides. What do you press a button to open up the charging ports?
I don't know how you.
F-150 Lightning 2022.
Look.
Completely electric. With a button, man. With a button, man. And right back up. Integrated taillights. All the way across. This joint's different, man. It's crazy, man. We don't catch y'all, man. Yeah, I had to. Nemo, he know that's my favorite truck. That's why he's like, you gotta come out here and drive this. Like, you gotta see this truck. I was like, all right, bet. I was like, you know, I'm gonna come out and do that for sure. So we gonna catch y'all. It's fun rocking with y'all. That's a F-150 2022. Definitely copping it in a couple years. I passed my electrician test, so soon, hopefully, I'll be a lineman or anything in that field. And we gonna catch y'all once we back on the bike, because the bike's coming out the shop soon within the next couple weeks. So appreciate y'all for watching. Love y'all. Sorry I ain't been posting lately. Been doing a lot. Love you, family.